So guys, hear me out, man. Hear me out. Here are my predictions for the Champions League quarterfinal, second leg. I normally don't do this, but how I got the Real and Arsenal spot on prediction. I thought I should do the second leg. So let's start. We're going to start with Barcelona, and it's going to be Dortmund versus Barcelona in Germany. And I think with the forward of Rafinha, Lewandowski, and Lamine Yamal, Barcelona will easily go to Dortmund and get a 3-2 win. When we come to Aston Villa versus PSG, I think since this tie will be in England, and Unai Emery is a very experienced manager when it comes to European competition, I think Aston Villa will pull up a 2-1 win in Villa Park, and PSG will win on penalties. Yeah. Moving on, we have the Inter Milan versus Bayern game. Bayern Munchen. This is the most intriguing game because my take in this game, imagine the final will be played in Bayern. Yeah. Bayern still has Hurricane. Yeah. During the Inter Bayern game, Bayern had the better chances. Yeah. So I think Bayern will edge out Inter Milan 3-1 in San Siro. Yeah. Yeah. Bayern will edge Inter Milan out in San Siro by winning 3-1. Yeah. 3-1. And which will make Bayern progress to the semifinals. Now, let's talk about Madrid versus Arsenal game. This Madrid versus Arsenal game has a lot of people talking, yeah, and people predicting a Madrid comeback, a miraculous Madrid comeback. But my take is Arsenal will build a low block at Bernabeu, and Arsenal will get a goal through Mikel Merino. So the game will end in Bernabeu in a 1-1 stalemate, which makes Arsenal progress further. Yeah, Gunas, I'm ready to jeopardize our 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 non. I'm ready to I'm ready for Real Madrid to score for the first time against us. Yeah, if it means we win and we go to the semi-finals, yeah, I'm ready, man. I'm ready. So that's